Sorry about losing my floor. Let's go to level 2 and I'll reconstruct it quickly. Maybe I didn't do it. Probably not. Maybe that's why I'm not. Floor architectural. We're in the working drawing, so I'll go save. And we're going to use the pick wall tool to make a floor. So we have floor generic, which is 12 inch. That's fine. And so I'm just going to walk around here and grab some surfaces. Then I'll make some adjustments to these. I'm going to pull this inside to the inside edge of the curtain wall. I'm going to try to. Inside of that wall is fine. Move this one out a little bit. Actually, I'll join these walls together a little bit while we're here. Oops, wrong command. Let's grab this one up here. This one I want on the inside. Join that one up. And this one will need to be joined. And that might do it. Let's see. It does. We don't want to attach to anything. We don't want to develop that much parametric connections of things, so to speak. And so that's on level 1. Let's look at that from a 3D view. There we have our floor plate in place. I'm going to grab it and I'll go right to the south elevation. And I'm just going to copy that up. So I'm going to grab the copy tool, snap on this grid, and then move it up to the next one. And if we go to the 3D view now, we have another kind of floor deck there. And that's sitting a little bit proud. Let's actually, you can see how that's a little right at the top edge of that roof. I guess we'll let that go for now. We might put a railing around there if that was an outside deck. Okay. Oops, I'm sorry. I'm in the model view. Wrong view. We didn't do it at the third level up. Excuse me. I think you know what my mistake was there. We have the center line, or we have the center floor deck for this level. We need to copy it up one more time. So we need 3 of those are identical floors. I'm going to grab the copy tool again and then move another one up here. And now let's take a look at our real model and see what that looks like. And this is extending up a little bit above it, which is a bit confusing. Let's see if we have what's going on here. Its height from offset is -2 feet, and I don't know why that is. And I'm wondering if the same one is here. This should really be not offset at all. Excuse me while I make these corrections. Let me try to grab this other floor here. That one's okay. I'm not sure why when we copied them up, we got that kind of an error. I'm going to change this one too. It says -2 feet. I'm going to go to 0, and that may actually bump it up. It still looks fine. It still looks like it's not above the edge of that. So we're in good shape. So now we have 3 floor decks in there. We're ready to add a couple of wall systems here, and then another floor, and then another top out our project. Looks like we can probably move this one up right away too. So let's take this up to the top of wall with that 2-foot offset. And that's in good shape there. Actually, that probably has to be held back. I made a mistake there, sorry. Okay, so we'll pick up next with drawing these 2 interior walls here.